whether or not how sad I just got was on my own volition, or if I'm just missing the sun. And tomorrow I know will be rainy at best, and the forecast I know is that I'll be depressed, but I'll wait outside, hoping that I'll catch sight of the sun. Because on and off the clouds have fought for control over the sky, and lately the weather has been so bipolar, and consequently so have I. Now I'm sunny with a high of 75, since you took my heavy heart and made it light. And it's funny how you find you enjoy your life when you're happy to be alive. And the temperature's freezing, and then after dark there's a cold front sweeping in over my heart, and we might break up if I don't wake up to the sun. Because on and off the clouds have fought for control over the sky, and lately the weather has been so bipolar, and consequently so have I. But now I'm sunny with a high of 75, since you took my heavy heart and made it light. And it's funny how you find you enjoy your life when you're happy to be alive. Sunny with the high of 75, since you took my heavy heart and made it light. And it's funny how you find you enjoy your life when you're happy to be alive. Trend was to not wake up till 3 p.m. I picked a few conscious hours that I chose to spend and slept away the rest of them. And this week the trend was to crash and burn, and then we turn again to practice a life that I pretend provides enough to get me through the weekend. So instead, give me a solution and watch me run with it. Then you gave me a solution. What have I done with it? 'Cause I was absolutely sure I had it all figured out way back then. And now it's this minute, this hour, this day, and this week the trend was to backstab every single one of my friends and leave a voicemail message trying to make amends, all the while hoping things work out in the end.